And sets generally will represent sets by using three different methods. One is description method, another one is ruler method, another one is set builder. Before going to these methods, some properties we have to when writing the set. And the first property, no element should repeat in a set. No element should repeat in a set. That means A is one set. In that one elements are 1, 2, 3, 1, 5, 2, 7, 4, 2. So these are the elements in set A. So here any element is repeating, we have to take it into count as once only. So when rewriting this set, one element is repeating again, so we have to take count into once only. Why? Because no element should repeat. In repeating means we have to take into count once only. And next 2. 2 is repeating 3 times here, totally 2, 3 times here. So we have to take into count one element only. 3 is not repeating, so take as it is 3. Next one already is 5 is not repeating, take as it is 7, not repeating 4. Not. Now what are the elements in set A? 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 4. That's all. Need not to take 1, 2, 3, 1, 5, 2, 7, 4, 2 again. So any element is repeating, we have to take into count once only. And the next 1 word element, aligar. So in this word, any letter is repeating. First of all, write down all the letters in the word aligar. So let's come W. So A, L, I, G, H, A, R. So these are the letters in the word aligar. So in words also, not only in numbers, in words also, any letter is repeating, then also we have to write once. It means A repeating here, write once. L also repeating here, write once. Next remaining I, G, H, R. And the next one more property. If the elements are in different order, the same elements in the set are in different order, then the both sets are same, not different. For example, A is equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. B is equals to 9, 5, 3, 7, 1. Look here, what are the elements here? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. What are the elements here? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 only. That means order doesn't affect set. I mean both sets are same. Whatsoever order. Need not to write it only in ascending order, only in descending order, only in one way, right to left to right, not like that. Any order you write, the elements are same means set remains same. And moreover, if A is one set, 1357. B is one more set. 1398635317. So here was simply 4 elements written here, 1, 3, 5, 7. Here some more elements here written. But I am telling both the sets are same. How? So rewrite this one according by using the first property. What will it is? 1 is repeating, we have repeating here, we have to write 1 time only, 3 repeating here, we have to write 1 time only, and next 5 repeating, then also we have to write 1 time only, and the remaining one is 7. That means after rewriting what the elements in A, we got the same elements in B also. So these four properties we have to remember, and moreover when writing the sets you have to separate by commas and we have to keep those sets in floor brackets. And the symbol, capital letter we have to use, and the elements, small letters have to use to represent set. And some exercise problems we will see in exercise 1.1. Yeah, before going to exercise and 3 more points, I told 3 different methods. The first one is description method. Description method. And the second one is roast or tabular method, and the third one is rule or set builder form. So 3 methods I have written here. Description. The first method is description method, and the second one is roster or tabular method, and the third one is rule or set builder form. So these 3 methods generally we use to represent set. And what these 3 types? The first one, description method. So in this description method, according to the rule, one description will prepare. One description will prepare. So we, to denote set, we'll use the description. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. It is set O. Observe here it is set O. What are the elements in this one? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. By observing these, we can prepare one description here. These are all odd numbers less than 10. What is description now? Odd numbers less than 10. Look, it is description. One suitable description, one well-defined description. We have to make, and we'll use that description to represent set. So this method is called description method. And the next, one more example under this. We A, E, I, O, U. By seeing this, these are the vowels in English alphabet. So we have to prepare one description. Vowels in English alphabet. The same description we will write here in flower brackets. Vowels in English alphabets. So by using description, if you represent a set, then that method is called description. And the next method, roster or channel. Roster or tabular. In this method, for given description, we will list out all the elements in that one. That means here description is prime numbers less than 1. So it is 3. One more example. Even numbers less than, so two examples I took here, then first second one you will see Q. E. So what is description here? Even numbers less than 20. By reading this one, what will comes under this description we has to list out those are all. That means less than 20 even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Listing out by using the given description. Listing out elements by given description is called representation of set by using tabular method or roster method. And next, one more example we have taken P. What it is? Prime numbers less than 100. Prime numbers less than 100. What will come in this one? Prime numbers. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on, so up to 100. That means 97. So like that we have to list out. So listing out the given description is called roster or tabular method. Here one more property you have to remember. If the set is the elements of the set is lengthy, undefined or very large, then how to represent that one means, so here it is lengthy, more elements are coming. So need not to write all elements. First write down first 3 elements of the set, that means 2, 3, 5. Then after that 3 dots. That means and so on it is. After that follows, if last elements exist, we have to write. If not exist, leave and close in the bracket. So this property also we have to remember. And this method is called roster or tab. And one more method, rule or set build. We'll see. So P is prime number, set in this one 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So it is a prime number set less than 20. And now for this is listed, that means all the elements are there. Without writing all the elements by using just one sentence, if you represented the set, that is called set builder form. That means assume any element in that one as some unknown variable. That means as x, as y, as z, whatsoever. X, y, z. X. I took X. X is an element in this set. That element, how like the element it is, now we are telling the property of that element. That element is, that means X is prime number and prime number means we written all the prime numbers? No. We written just only prime numbers less than 20 and X is less than 20. Look here. How to read this one? X such that sometimes we use X colon also we have to read this one also X such that. How like that X? X is prime number. X is a prime number and X is less than 20. It is understandable. X is a prime number is less than 20 means all the elements will come. That means maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 5, maybe 7, maybe 11, maybe 13, maybe 17, maybe 19. By reading this one, just we can understand. And sometimes big sets also will be. Prime numbers up to 1000. That means less than 1000. Need not to write those are all. By using set builder form, simply we will write X such that X is a prime number and X is less than 1000. To represent Indian, so population of Indians are 1 crore 30 lakh, 130 crores. List out all of them, it is impossible. We cannot list out on the board. But by using set builder form, simply we can say X such that X is an Indian. X is an Indian. Enough. Indian. Everybody, 130 crores of people will come under this. Indian. Look how useful this set builder form is. So these are these three methods we are using to represent sets. The first one is description method. We will use description, suitable description. And the second one is roster or tabular method. So we will list out all the elements in that one. Here we will follow one rule property also. The set is bigger one, then we'll write first 3 elements, then after that 3 dots. If last element exists, we will write, otherwise we will close. And the third one is set builder form. So we will use unknown, variable, and we will represent by using suitable settings. So by these 3 methods we will represent. And now next exercise problem.